There are totally three types of economic systems. Each of them answers or provides solution to the central problems of the economy differently. So, what are these central problems of an economy? What to produce and in what quantities? How are these goods produced? For whom are these goods produced? These are the problems for which we need to constantly find solutions. Notice over here the three economic systems: market economy or capitalism, socialist economy, and mixed economy. Market economy or capitalism considers the market forces of demand and supply. In socialist economy, the main decision taking unit is government, and it decides based on the need of the society. In a mixed economy, both the market forces of demand and supply and government play the key role in determining the solutions to the central problems of the economy. Let's see the solutions each system provides. Under market economy or capitalism, the first problem, that is what to produce and in what quantities, is purely decided based on the kind of demand a particular good or service has and the level of profit that it can fetch us. Example, instead of personal computers, if there is a rise in demand for laptop, then it will be decided that laptop will be produced and production of personal computers will be stopped. Goods that could be sold profitably because of the kind of demand it has takes the priority over here. The second problem, how are these goods produced, depends on which one is cheaper. If the labor is cheaper than capital, then labor intensive technique will be used to produce the goods and services. If capital intensive technique is cheaper, then capital intensive technique will be used to produce the goods and services. The third problem, that is for whom are these goods produced, will depend on the purchasing power. Whoever can afford it, to them only it is produced and distributed after the required payment. Under socialist economy, what to produce and in what quantities is decided by the government. First, it collects information and determines what is needed to the society. Does the society needs more food or health facilities or educational facilities or any other goods or services. Then it decides about the kind of production process that the firms in the economy should carry on. The second problem, how to produce. The government decides keeping on the aim it has. If the aim is to increase employment opportunities, then it definitely will choose labor intensive technique of production. If there is a crunch in the number of people in the economy who could be hired, then it might resort to capital intensive techniques of production. The last problem, to whom to produce. Here, under socialist economy, each and every citizen is considered. Whatever is produced, it is made sure that the produced thing is distributed equally to all the citizens of the nation. Under mixed economy, the first problem, what to produce and in what quantities, is decided both due to market forces of demand and supply as well as government. While due to market forces few goods and services are produced, the government also intervenes so that essential ones are also produced. The second problem could be either labor intensive or capital intensive. The third problem, that is, for whom are these goods produced, will depend upon the purchasing power as well as the need that has to be fulfilled. The market will provide whatever goods and services it can produce well, and the government will provide essential goods and services which the market fails to do.